At Light and Building 2024, the global leaders in building and home technology come together to discuss the biggest and best advancements in the field. Matter and Stride, the new smart building and smart home connectivity standard and wireless protocol, are likely to take center stage as two of the most revolutionary technologies. The acquisition of EVE system last June boosted us into a new era of smart home retrofits, empowering more residents than ever before to manage their energy and surroundings with exceptional convenience and safety. Integrating Matter and Stride technology through EVE's plug-in interoperable devices enables existing homes to be rapidly transformed into smart spaces. Backed by industry giants such as Amazon, Apple, and Google, Matter solidifies its position as a standard for revolutionary building and home connectivity, indicating a new era for the interoperability of existing smart home technologies.